Hello, I'm Lego Creeper Spy, and today I have something for raiding in the future. A new slime block TNT cannon. But it also has some creepers in it. Start it up. And it shoots surprisingly far. Twice as far as it can shoot creepers. There goes a creeper. This is just an awfully simple invention that I wanted to share. There's a lot more things that you can do with TNT involving slime blocks. So I've just decided I couldn't make anything more complicated. I just decided to make a simple cannon. I used to have slightly larger versions of this, but this one is so far the best one that I built. And how it works is this clock is activating this dispenser. The first thing it does is shoots TNT or a creeper. Then, one tick after that, this slime block will push the entity up. And then after that, I think, this will push the entities forward. Like, I can even shoot myself, for example. Yeah, it kind of shoots. It'll even shoot players. That'll take me a while to do. If I go in here, and put a button there. Oh, what was that? That was... oh, yeah. I know what the problem with that must have been. This is not supposed to be turned on. Now, let's try again. I'm sorry, this is going to take me a bit of a while. But I just hope it'll be able to shoot players also. As a new way of, well, transportation. Not a tick. This is stupid. Shot a TNT and no! Well, that's just about all I've got. Thanks for watching.